So it's day 3 of the Rotor Riot visit. We're doing a public meetup here at this park, kind of south of Seattle. I got my bucket full of crap here. So I'm here with Banji. He came to the Rotor Riot meetup we just finished, and now we're going to head out to an abandoned nuclear power plant that's down south of here and do some FPV flying. Banji and I just got to the next flying site. We're waiting for the Rotor Riot crew to show up. I have this little iFlight Nazgul 5-inch freestyle quad that I'm gonna fly while we're waiting. And look at this behind me. It's a whole nuclear evaporation tower. And it's completely abandoned, and I think we can fly here. So this is gonna be insane. Now I have like 5 minutes of airtime on this thing. I'm not very confident in it. And I might just try and dive down the side of that tower. Oh my God, it's so tall. Oh my God. Keep in mind that this is my second flight with this thing. Factory PIDs and everything. Woo. I need to work on my dives. I want to hike up those stairs so bad. That would be so fun. Oh my Lantis, this is just insane. I bet the Rotor Riot guys are going to dive down into it. I'm definitely not going to do that. Wow, I wish I was a better pilot. Holy f***, I'm shaking. That was insane. What do you think about the aesthetics of this nuclear tower?
You know, it's foreboding, paints a picture, towers over you.
We just had such an in-depth conversation about the aesthetics of this, and that's all you have?
No, but I like nuclear power more than I don't like how spooky this tower is. So like, I wouldn't want to say anything that discourages the future leaders of America's energy from using nuclear power.
Can't wait to see what NURK does out here. So Rotor Riot just rolled in and we're getting the quads ready to do some flying. I'm really excited to see what they can do because with their skill and this location, it's going to be insane. Much better than the few shots that I got, I'm sure. But what do you think?
Daniel, I thought you were going to show us the good shit.
Yeah.
The good shit.
Why are we going somewhere cool?
Why
are we going somewhere epic?
No. Go in from the top. Don't sneak your way up.
I'm just popping up.
Do you have video in there?
Oh my God. It's weird how long you just... Wow.
That sound.
The echo is wild, dude. You're just going higher and higher. Oh man.
You're getting video in there?
It's a little pixelated, but yes. I think we just gotta send it. It is so high.
Do it, Drew! Dive it! Give me something juicy.
I'm diving it. Oh, video is really bad on the way down. But it comes back.
Oh my God, it took so long to... Woo! The throttle was cut for so long.
Oh my.
I was like, where is it? Did it hit like...
It's so fucking crazy.
So back in like 2014 or 15, I used to sell little 6-inch race quad frames. It was called the ProGo 280. Some of you longtime subscribers might remember that thing. But after that, I kind of stopped doing these little FPV quads for a while. And now I'm kind of just starting to get back into it, and I have not done much flying at all yet, so my skills are still really rusty. So I didn't dive through the tower, also because I'm on analog video and the video cuts out when you go behind the concrete. But if you want to see the video from these guys diving through this insanely ginormous, foreboding cooling tower, definitely go check out the Rotor Riot channel, because I'm sure this is gonna look just nutso. We've been here for like 10 minutes and we've already had multiple crashes inside the fence.
Hold on, come here. Those guys had multiple crashes.
Those guys had multiple crashes.
None of us have crashed.
We haven't crashed.
She hasn't flown yet.
Good
I haven't gotten to fly yet.
law-abiding citizens over here. These guys won't crash in the fence. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Did they hear us? Okay, yeah.
Oh, you're so close.
I need something slightly longer.
You're just gonna hand it.
Yes.
Slowly
fence.
walk it up, link by link.
Hey!
You guys need to keep the drones outside the fenced area.
Okay.
Do not go over the structures, buildings or towers. And if you don't want to respect that, that's fine. I'll have the sheriff up here.
So we got some awesome shots, and now we're gonna head out before we get kicked out by the police or something. What do you think, Banji?
I don't know. There's specific challenges to flying anywhere. These are the challenges for flying here.
So we got kicked out by the police, and now we're heading back to the warehouse to shoot some tiny whoop action. Jamie.
Bangers.
Clean high fives.
I'm gonna miss you so much.
Bye, everyone. Well, that was a super fun 3 days. I guess it's back to foam and hot glue for me.